Good evening and welcome back to my channel. I'm Emily if you're new here, and today I thought I would do a hair tutorial. With Valentine's Day fast approaching, I've got one that's super simple, you can definitely do at home, and all you need is 2 little hair elastics and an optional ribbon. So without further ado, let's get started. So for step 1, you just want to do a classic sum up, sum down look, getting hair from the temples and putting that in a little ponytail at the top. Once you've done this, I just want you to tug on little bits of hair, just make it look a little bit looser and tidy it up from the front. For step 2, you just need to go from the center of your parting and create a little gap in your hair, which you're then going to tuck the ponytail up, under and through, which will then create a little loop. Tighten this up and have your hair sectioned into 2 sections. So once you have these 2 sections of hair, I want you to grab your elastic band and place this somewhere roughly in the center of the length of the remaining hair. The higher up you do this, the smaller the heart will be, and the lower down, the bigger. So once that is in place, you just need to tighten it up and then pull each section of hair just to make it more voluminous. So this is where the ribbon comes in if you do want to use it. If not, you can actually tie a little bit of your own hair around this elastic band. But I quite like the look of when you add the ribbon to the bottom of the heart. So there we have it, a simple and easy 3-step way to get your Valentine's Day hair. I really hope you like this one. Let me know in the comment section down below if you did, and if there's any other video ideas you want, just shoot away. So that does conclude my Valentine's Day hairstyle for you today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of my future hauls. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next video.